Hi, Namaste. I'm Astha and welcome to my channel. I post painting tutorials and some cooking recipes, but today's video is different. I bring to you a art supply review. So this came in the mail today and let's unpack it to know what's inside. Well, it smells kind of moldy, so I am not very satisfied with the packaging. The brushes, how they work, what is the quality, we'll get back to it in the later part of the video. But first, talk about the packaging. You can see it's very dirty, and I opened it like right in front of you. Second, the case is pretty sturdy and good to use, so it will be convenient for me to like store these brushes, or when I'm traveling I can take them along. And they have this loop, so I can like hang it anywhere if I want. Or these flaps are velcro based, so I can just open them. I don't know how I'll use this, but maybe I'll just figure it out. Okay, so we'll just test it right here, like how the brushes work. The brushes come in a cardboard box, and as you can see it's written that it is a set of 15 brushes, and it has various features like durable wooden handle, wide range of brush shape and sizes, and at the back you can see the style of brushes and the sizes are mentioned. First we'll start with the fine liners. There's only one fine liner of the size 3 by 0. The handle is pretty sturdy and the tip is also very nice. You can see it's very thin. Now we'll check how it works with paints. It is a very good brush to make fine lines or like fine detailings. The water holding capacity is not so great, which is okay. We have round brushes for that, but for detailing I would say it is a good brush. The fine liner was great. Now moving on to the next style, which is round brushes. There are total 4 sizes. One is 3 by 0, second is 1, 3 and 7. So let's check how the round brushes work. So the good thing about these brushes are that the tip is very fine and the water holding capacity is great. So I can use the brushes to cover a lot of area, and also I can use them to make fine detailings. So I'm using the largest brush size here, and as you can see it does work really nice. The water holding capacity is good. I can cover a lot of area at one particular time. Now I'll be checking the smallest of the round brush size, which is 2 by 0. Let's see how this one works. Now in this set there comes total 4 flat brushes of sizes 2, 6, 8 and 9. Well, we'll check how the flat brushes work. The size 2 of the flat brush is very nice. Again, the water holding capacity is good. I can make fine lines with it or like broad strokes, and it does do work well. Now for the largest flat brush, you can use it to spread water on your paper, like when you are painting a sky or something. So like you can see I'm just spreading water with the flat brush, and I'm using a smaller fine liner to just spread little colors around. That's how you can paint a cloud or a river. So the flat brushes are good. I really like the flat brushes. Next we have filbert brushes. Now this one is a This one is kind of new to me. I've never used a filbert brush, so let's see how filbert brushes look and how they work. So they are not round or flat, they're basically or a semicircle in shape. The tip is semicircular in shape, and again they have total two sizes of filbert brushes in this set, a size 4 and a size 9. Here I am checking the size 4 of the filbert brush. Well, I've seen people using filbert brushes to paint flower petals and leaves. I'm just trying my hand at it. I really don't know how they work, so I'll just practice and then learn. Moving on to another kind of brushes, which are angular brushes. They have three sizes: 5, 10, and 12. Again, I have never used angular brushes, they are new to me. So let's figure out how they work and what are the brush qualities. I'm trying here to make all kinds of strokes with this one to get the broadest line and the thinnest and some angular strokes. I'm also trying my hand at calligraphy, so let's, it works fine for that. I'm still practicing the angular brushes, but they are very new, and I've seen people creating amazing leaf designs and blending techniques using angular brushes, so I'm definitely going to practice now. All right, so next and the final are the fan brush. Again, a single size, and like the I am not really happy with the quality of the fan brush. As you can see, the bristles are not intact, and fan brushes are basically used to create foliage and in trees and leaves, but I don't know, this one will work fine because the quality is not at all great. So we have tried almost all the brushes, and now it's time to pack up and move on to the conclusion about the brushstroke brushes set of 15. Well, this was how the brushes worked, and overall I would say the packaging was uh, 1 out of 5, because like the outer box was just fine, but the one which I had to keep with me like forever is not in a good state. Secondly, the variety of brushes you can see is very wide, so I would give a 4 out of 5 for the variety. The quality of the brushes are a 3 out of 5 because the bristles of many brushes were loose. Secondly, the wooden handles were durable but of very cheap quality. Like if you like hold them, you know that it's not a great quality. And lastly, the water holding capacity is good for the round brushes, for the flat brushes, and like the fine liners are fine liners. So yeah, 4 out of 5 for that. And for the price, I think the value for money would be 4 out of 5 because I bought 15 brushes with a brush case for rupees 849 INR. And so I'll just add the link of Amazon in the description box. Okay, so like I think they are good for beginners like me who just are exploring their art, and as the box says, it's good for watercolors, wash, acrylic and oil. So I just work with watercolors, but if any of these mediums are your medium, so you can go for it. I would recommend, I like for this price, I think this is what you'll get, so go for it. And I'll see you all with a painting tutorial or maybe another review, or if you have any other ideas like what videos I can make on, like you can just comment below, and please subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Thank you. I'll see you around. Bye bye.